This is the AMG GT Black Series, and this is Spa Francorchamps, the demanding F1 racetrack. And we're going to do 2 laps in a racing sim, not the real car of course. So sit back and enjoy the fun. If you ever get the chance to play this in VR, it is absolutely incredible. This replay is really not giving you the true demonstration of how good this really is. So if you do get a chance to try it in VR, it really is worth it. You feel like you're really in the car. It's quite incredible. So we're coming up to a really tricky corner now. I don't always get this right because it's actually quite hard, but yeah, we've got round, and as I say, it can be quite tricky, especially with this car. It's very tail happy. Now approaching this hill, we need to come off the accelerator bit, because otherwise you'll go too wide like I did on my last lap, and even now I'm only just about keeping it within track limits. Such a great track this is. Absolutely fantastic. Really enjoying this track a great deal, and I've come up with an idea that I think the next wifey tries should be getting the wife to try also racing around this track in VR, and seeing if she can beat maybe my times, or get even better. Who knows? She might really enjoy this, to be fair. So yeah, I think the next wifey tries will be seeing her do some sim racing. That should be fun, shouldn't it? Here we are now, coming to the end of our 2 laps of the famous Spa Francorchamps racetrack. It was fun, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe we'll do some more of this, but definitely we'll get the wife on the next wifey tries. See you on the next one.